Hey everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular cars on the planet, the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla. And trust me, this one isn't just a mild refresh. Toyota has spiced things up with some cool updates, a special edition that throws it back to the 80s, and features that make this compact sedan, or hatchback, more appealing than ever. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the biggest highlights, the return of the Corolla FX. Now, if you're a car enthusiast or just love a bit of nostalgia, this is going to catch your attention. The FX pays tribute to the iconic 1980s Corolla FX16, known for its sporty looks and fun personality. This modern-day FX edition doesn't disappoint. It comes with bold, blacked-out 18-inch alloy wheels, a sleek rear spoiler, and a contrasting black roof that gives it a head-turning, sporty vibe. Now, before you get too excited, it doesn't come with any crazy performance upgrades under the hood. But hey, with those looks and the nostalgia factor, it definitely stands out from the crowd. And speaking of upgrades, inside, the FX gets an improved 10.5-inch infotainment screen, which is also available on other trims. It's crisp, easy to use, and adds that modern tech feel we all expect these days. Under the hood, Toyota is sticking to what works. The standard 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine delivers a solid 169 horsepower paired with a smooth CVT transmission. It's not going to blow your socks off, but for daily driving, city commuting, or highway cruising, it's efficient, quiet, and gets the job done. But what if fuel economy is your top priority? No problem. The Corolla Hybrid continues to be one of the most efficient compact cars out there, offering an incredible 53 miles per gallon in the city and 46 on the highway. That's hybrid-level savings without sacrificing practicality. And here's something you rarely see in this class. Toyota now offers an all-wheel drive option for the Corolla. So, if you live in an area with wet, snowy, or unpredictable weather, this adds extra peace of mind and stability. Step inside, and Toyota has definitely stepped up their game. The cabin feels modern with refined materials, soft-touch surfaces, and clean design. Even on the base model, you get convenient features like passive entry and push-button start. Want to feel a bit more premium? You can opt for ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. If space is on your checklist, the sedan offers generous rear seat room, perfect for daily commuting or passengers. Or, if you like versatility, the hatchback version gives you up to 23 cubic feet of cargo space. That's plenty for road trips, groceries, or weekend getaways. On the road, the Corolla remains what it's always been known for: smooth, quiet, and dependable. It's not trying to be a hot hatch or a performance sedan, but it handles city streets and highway cruising with ease. Now, if you do want a little more engagement behind the wheel, check out the SE and XSE trims. These come with a stiffer suspension, giving you a slightly sportier, more planted feel when you're driving. Engine noise can creep in under hard acceleration, but overall, it's still a refined, comfortable ride. Let's talk numbers. The 2026 Corolla starts at around $23,310, making it super competitive in the compact car market. Higher trims, like the feature-packed XSE or the nostalgic FX edition, will bring you closer to $29,125. So, whether you're after a stylish, reliable daily driver, an ultra-efficient hybrid, or a uniquely styled FX edition with retro vibes, there's a 2026 Toyota Corolla for you. What do you think of the new Corolla? Is the FX edition enough to tempt you? Or are you all about that hybrid fuel economy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.